Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove your Bitmoji from your Snapchat. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's jump straight into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Player App Store, search for Snapchat, and make sure Snapchat is updated to the latest version. If it is, it should say open. So now go ahead and open up Snapchat. Right, once Snapchat's open, click onto your profile icon, click onto the gear icon, and now here will bring up all the settings inside Snapchat. So scroll down a bit and you'll see Bitmoji. Click on the Bitmoji, and now to remove your Bitmoji, simply tap on unlink my Bitmoji. Let's do that. And now it says here, if you created your avatar on Snapchat, you'll permanently lose your avatar and all fashionable items saved in my wardrobe. So just remember that when you remove your Bitmoji. So remove Bitmoji. Stay down the bottom, unlinking. And now it will bring up this page here, create my avatar. So if that page appears, that means your Bitmoji has been deleted. So I'll go back to my profile, and there you go. I don't have a Bitmoji anymore. So that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.